AI is the biggest money making opportunity for 2026, but most of you will never get started because of this. Hi everyone, my name is AK and you are watching AK TV. And today I'll share with you 5 amazing ways to make money with AI in 2026 that actually works. And if you watch this video till the very end, I'll share 3 amazing courses to learn about AI. But first, let me tell you what AI has done to the way work is done and value is created. Today, in a world where AI is able to automate a lot of the tasks that people do every day, every junior role in coding, in finance, in accounting, in sales, marketing is getting replaced by one tool. Which means if you have very basic knowledge about a field and want to start making money, you, my friend, have already been replaced by AI. So if you want to earn with AI in 2026, you need to be smarter. Even before I tell you about the ways, understand 3 mindset shift. The first one is to think from an agentic automation perspective. Always think in workflows. How can I set up workflows for companies that will make their life easier? Number two, understand that prompt engineering is boring, but context engineering is the new skill that you need to learn. How much do I need to tell AI for it to produce the best result possible? And lastly, understand that only 5 to 10% of the total internet population have started using AI extensively, which means there's a massive opportunity for AI tools to be adopted, value to be created, and for you to make your pot of gold in this year and the coming decade. With that in mind, here is the first way to make money with AI. The first one is to poach customer from your competitor with AI. How do you do this? Well, you create an AI system that scans Trustpilot and review websites to find recent reviews about your competitor which have 1 to 2 stars. These are angry and unsatisfied customers who are using your competitor's product and services. All you have to do for this business is to reach out to these people, find out their LinkedIn, find out their emails using Apollo. And once you get their email, send them an automated email saying that, hey, we noticed that you hate this product and you gave a 1 star review on Trustpilot for them. We have solved this exact problem and I can get on a 5-minute call with you to explain a lot more. Someone on Twitter already did this and found 290 reviews. He was able to find 203 LinkedIn profiles of these people and he then reached out to them on email. The reply rate was actually 11%, so he got 23 replies, 19 call booked, and 8 new client closed at an average value of $4,000, and he ended up making more than $35,000 for that company. Imagine if he charges 10 to 15% for every client he got. He will end up walking with more than $5,000 from this one simple workflow automation. If he set this up once for one company, he can keep replicating it for multiple companies and it can scale like that in minutes. You are simply looking at angry customer of your competitor. They really want a replacement and you are sending them an email and getting a call booked with them and closing them on a call for that client of yours and walking away with thousands of dollars in commission. You tell Claude Co about 3 competitors and it will look up for what people are talking about those competitors. It will find out the negative reviews and start finding these people's LinkedIn profiles. Apollo will quickly find their email addresses and you can then create a very simple email outreach using Instant and then you can start booking a call with them on Calendar. This very simple workflow can run every day and find angry customers of your competitor and turn them into recurring revenue for your client. A recent survey found out that over 69% of all Indian youth uses AI for doubts and problem solving. Yet most believe it's another search bar. But AI is so much more than that. These 3 courses will help you go from zero to actually knowing how to use AI to create value and staying ahead. Number one, AI for Everyone by Deep Learning AI. This is the most beginner friendly course by Andrew Ng himself. If you have never written code or built an app with AI before, this is the course for you. AI will turn it into an app for you. Number two, generate AI in less than 30 minutes. You learn to describe an idea in words and then let AI Engine by IBM. This one gives you hands-on experience on building AI-based applications. It's a great course. If you love building things with AI, you'll use libraries like SkyPy and learn to build apps with models like GPT and Llama. You'll also develop core skills in prompt engineering, machine learning, and deep learning with Python. And third, vendor builds prompt engineering course. This course makes you an expert at writing prompts for any task, whether it is for work, business, school, or personal project. You learn simple prompt pattern to get the best result. Out of tools like ChatGPT, you can get these courses and they are designed to help you to move up in your career and learn in demand skills that the recruiters are looking for. And let's move to the next one. Alright, now the next way to make money is to actually record your voice using 11 Labs and get paid for every usage. What is 11 Labs? It's the massive AI voice generation platform where people can use voices of different people and different tones and languages to narrate their script. Maybe they want to create real script, maybe they want to create audiobooks. Whatever task they have, they can actually use the voices over there and get the audio from it. Where do you come into the picture? You create your AI audio and you submit it on the platform. So it will basically be like this audio, and now anyone can use that audio to create any script, to create any voice. And whenever someone uses your voice, 11 Labs actually pays you a percentage of their subscription. There's a guy on Twitter, he shared how he made over 40,000 rupees by just doing this. You just need to set up that voice once and you can forget it and let it collect revenue for you on your behalf, all passively. Of course, you need to have some unique ability about your voice. Another way to make money with AI is to become an AI consultant. There are so many companies who want to install AI agents and workflows in their system but don't know where to start. That is where you start creating content about AI agents, about companies achieving productivity with AI, and in general, the future of AI today. And you keep a very simple document link or a Calendly link. People will go over there, book a call with you. You convince them that you can automate the system and processes of their company, and then you do it for their behalf. The most basic way to start with this is to start giving sessions to their employees and train them on the most latest AI tools. So things like Claude Cowork, Replit, Make.coms. And once their employees are trained, you can move a step above and start creating systems for their businesses. These corporates are willing to pay between 1 to 5 lakhs for a single session you do for training their employees. And you can charge lakhs of rupees on top of that for setting up these AI agents and workflows for their team. And then even charge a recurring commission to keep managing them every single month. Not this requires you to actually be really good with understanding AI, creating content about AI, and having enough visibility so that they reach out to you. And lastly, knowing how to communicate effectively and teach and train people on AI. But if you can do all of that, you will actually win in this whole game and end up making crores and crores of rupees. Now, if you don't have a lot of experience or skills and you still want to make money with AI, well, the easiest way is to target creators or startup founders and help them with writing LinkedIn posts or creating thumbnails and designs for their social media posts. You can take various examples of the styles of writing they want, upload it in a cloud project, let it train on that, understand the structure, the tone, and the voice, and then start creating LinkedIn posts, reel script, and many more content pieces in that same tone and voice. And lastly, Nano Banana Pro can create some unexceptional thumbnails and social media carousels and even infographics in minutes. It's all about the prompts you are using and how well you can tweak it for this context. There is a in-depth guide that you can refer to and get started with Nano Banana Pro for today. You can very easily charge 10 to 20,000 rupees for handling all of this writing task and even start charging 500 to 800 rupees for every thumbnail or infographics or carousel that you can create for them. And over a span of month working with a couple of creators, you can very easily make 30 to 50,000 rupees. just by doing this. And now the last way to make money with AI is to look at local businesses around you and start creating websites for them that you can sell to them later. So look for shops, look for dentist shop, pet shop, electronic stores, real estate companies, interior design stores, and once you find them, look if they have a website. If they don't, that's where they are making a big mistake. Having a website for a business means improved trust, more visibility on Google. Create website for them and send this website to them. Just go up to them and say that, hey, I made this website for you. If you want, I can give this website to you for 4 to 5,000 rupees. And if you also want, I can manage this website for you and update content for about 1,000 rupees per month or 2,000 rupees per month. And if it looked good, they would happily pay for it. And these are the 5 easiest ways to make money with AI in 2026. If you have any question, let me know below in the comment section and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye bye.